it's me, Nia. Well, I'm making this video to say hello. I told you guys earlier that I would be making, well, in my last video on Neweg's channel, mine, that I would be making an Animal Jam video, and here it is. And I wanted you guys to choose your character. Before we go starting even more of this, I want you guys to go subscribe to the little one. Was the one who put the hundred or something like that. She was one of my first subscribers friends. My first friend that was one of my subscribers. She was really nice. She still is. And I wanted you guys to go check her channel out. I'll put it in the link if I can. I'm not sure. I need to ask one of my friends to do that. Oh, and I'll ask you guys to go see Michaela Demo. I guess it really isn't Michaela Demo channel anymore. It's like Rainbow something. I forgot, but I'll put it in the link if I can. I'll say it at the end of the video, one of those. Well, today we're just gonna be trying to I think we're just gonna go to the parties and do what I usually do. So yeah. See if any of my buddies do. If you can take out water, but none of them are on. What? More than 30 days. Wait. None of my videos are on. That's sad. That's really sad. And I got like 89. I'll make 30 though. Oh yes! This guy on. Chrissy. She's at a different town. Oh, what? Then I'll go to her house. Wait, we're on the world, right? I'm sure we should let it go. I'm at the house. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's her because of her eyelashes. Let's see when she gets here. Hi. You too. Say hi too. Well, tell her. She might not want to be in the video. Say hi to the video, my guys. Say hi to the video. Ouch. Ready? And then. What's your chat? Oh! Excellent! Well, what do you mean like chat? You mean like how big it is? And I did that poll myself. Yeah, it's the beach. Alright. I like her dead actually. I love it. And I never really saw one of these in person. So, what's your chat? What does that mean? Oh, it's your channel! Is that it? Is that it? Hey, what? You know what? I don't know. Don't know. What you mean? Oh my god, I'm so mad here. Me. I don't know what you mean. What do you mean? Alright, let's see what kind of party. Oh, another one of my friends. my room and I have my cricket. Like before. Hi, I'm making a video. This is really fun, and I'm just spinning in my spinning chair like in your Oh! That's some ice cream. Oh my god, I want my phone. I'm scared. Oh yeah, pink. Okay. What the yeah, thanks. I touched this. I will do is that how Four not 4819. It's good to see you. Wait, what? Wait. Oh crap! I'll tell you guys some other time about that situation of mine. I have to get out of here. What? Thanks. I really have to go now. I don't want to be here. Well, I don't want to be here. Cry here into my house. What's this? Yeah, I'll just stay here. It's a nice and comfy place. Is this a girl? I'm pretty sure it is. That's why it becomes a girl. Yep. I'll tell you about this girl. I'm just saying hi to her because she's my buddy. I wanna destroy him as a friend. That's how bad I feel. It's not like me that way. It's like, go away. But I'm really sorry if I do that. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, what's the name? No! I don't want to play Bang! Not at all. Nice to see you too. Have to go. Oh gosh, silly too much. Have to go to my den. Bye for now. Like shade of those three. You should get a new one, but no, I don't have that money. Okay. Den. Oh, he left. Wait, this week. I got vanilla. Changes. Why? Alright, well, if he's on, offline. Oh, that's what? Oh, okay. I get it now. I got home. I became friends with her yesterday. I always wanted one of these balls, but I missed out. That's sad. And then, did you guys hear about the hyenas? Who are like, they're gonna get rid of the hyenas at the diamond shop? We'll go there. I really want a hyena before, I have like a couple weeks, like one more week or something before the hyenas go. It's something like that. Why is he sad? Look, here's the hyenas. The hyenas, I guess I could go to the news and read it. Yeah, let's go there. I want one of these too. I guess I can tell you guys about the gift cards, I guess. Have you seen any of the cute pet bears that have been sending around jamos? You can get your very own pet favorite by redeeming any Animal Jam retail gift card. From now on until the fall. Oh my god. Retail gift cards are able at Target, Walmart, or GameStop. Yes. Target and GameStop are like right next to each other. Walmart. Yeah. Okay, I'll read about the hyena. Traveling hyenas. The hyenas of Jamo have decided to travel to try in the beat of the heat of the hot summer sun. On July 33, when the hyenas will no longer be able in the diamond shop. Jamo, who already purchased a hyena, will still be able to create new ones. But you only have 2 weeks to purchase a hyena before they start their travel. Yes. Still got 2 weeks here. I don't know when I read that. I only got 1 diamond. Do you see how failing that is? That sucks. That's horrible. Ouch. My arm just held up that, guys. It's always one thing in these Lego things that costs 1 thing. I got this. Oh, what's this? I got this too. I look at the 1 diamond thing. No one wants to spend a lot of money on me. I'm gonna get this beach house, guys. Have you saw it? It costs 7. Oh my god, you see it? And it even has an island where you can put stuff on. It's really cool. You know why I really wanted this? Plus, I got this from that friend I said, oh, this is really nice one. Because that guy. And then, because of the pool and the slide, it looks pretty epic, doesn't it? It's just surrounded by ocean. I always wanted a house like that. And the Sky Kingdom, they got this. It has a really long stop. What's it called? Oh, what's this? Oh, remember it has a little like thing over here where you go down underground. I don't really understand all that, for example. I only see these. And I love the beach house. The beach house is what I'm aiming for. Oh god, I want to trade her. I wonder if I can trade her for a whale. Because I noticed that the fox hats are really well. Gosh, you got a lot of stuff. We're gonna end this video in like at 15 minutes because I think it'll be easier just to upload to YouTube, you know? She probably won't like accept it. I know that. I just want to see some love. But thank you for leaving. Anyway, she left, so probably even accept it. Okay. Does this person have anything good? Or does not? Hi, Mom. Sorry, my mom just woke up and she was like, hi. I was like, hi. Let's dance. Do 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 do, tingling with the soul. Do 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 do, forever alone. Oh God. Sorry, I'm spinning too much and like my clothes hit the dress I have for my computer hat. Right. I guess we can last a little bit longer.